And the prosecution rested their case in the Dante Lucas murder trial this afternoon. The defense will begin calling witnesses on Monday. News 5's Andy Cohen live for us again outside the courthouse with more on this final day of testimony for prosecutors and evidence presented. Andy?
Yeah, Rob, this afternoon, jurors heard expert testimony from Frank Hertz. He's a dog handler. He and his bloodhound Radar have participated in more than 100 homicide and missing persons cases in the state of Colorado, including the Kelsey Barrett disappearance out of Teller County. Radar is trained in human decomposition specifically, and we can tell you that Radar alerted near a tree in the backyard of this home on Manor Ridge Drive. You might recall investigators later excavated that yard, but Kelsey's remains were not recovered. He also alerted at the Pueblo Police Department when investigators presented him with floor mats and the trunk liner from a car. Hearst and Radar did not search the Pueblo landfill. He explained that there would be too many scents in that environment and that it would overwhelm Radar. Now, earlier in the day, jurors also heard a recording from that second interview that the police detectives Ray Purvis and Cody Wager had conducted with Dante Lucas after his arrest in November of 2017. And while Lucas continued to deny that he had killed Kelsey, he did admit in those interviews for the first time that he was the one who had moved Kelsey's car to the Walmart. And they also pressed him directly, and he said, "I did not kill Kelsey, I did not watch her die, I did not kidnap Kelsey, and I did not bury her body." Now, the last prosecution witness that was called today was FBI agent Jim Moore. He explained to the jurors that he had exhausted every resource in his search for Kelsey, and when the defense asked him why he didn't spend more resources or research into their client, Dante Lucas, he said, "I was not looking for him at the time." Always watching out for you, Pueblo. Andy Cohen, News 5.